My current state of mind, well, it's always chaos, you know, it's always been chaos. I may look calm and is there such a thing like a perfect cipher? So this question, of course, look, I wouldn't be a scientist if I would tell you yes or no. So the first thing you want to do is to explain the essence of my... Another thing was about free will, and there was a third one, multiverse. It really is about, will I do this or will I do this? Yeah, then do particles have free will? It's very difficult to answer this question. So, you know, your first, and there was a third one, multiverse. Okay, so we'll take them perhaps in 3 different shots, okay? It's kind of interesting every now and then to realize that maybe at this crucial moment where you thought that you made such and such decision and you live with the consequences of this decision today, there's another scenario that something else happened. Yeah, you know, what happened is what happened, but what didn't happen perhaps happened as well. You want me to elaborate?